Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you. Today I will be unboxing the BTS album Map of the Soul 7. I haven't opened it, so let us do that right now. So let us get started. Whoa! It is so huge! Oh my god! I got version 1. Oh my god, it's big. Gave me the QR code thing to scan for my WePly account, I guess. Huh. Very intricate detail. Whoa. Ooh. Oh yes! I got Neptune! Oh my god, he's so cute! And also, the quality of the thing changed, and it's really good. And I also got the new poster. Time to change it. Look how pretty. This is the version that makes me laugh the most because of the editing. Like, I don't know why, but these feathers are just funny to me. Like, they're just randomly placed. But it's so pretty. I can't wait to put it on my wall. This is how the inside looks, by the way. It's very, very gorgeous. I've listened to the album on Spotify, but not the whole thing just yet. So, yeah. We have the notes, by the way. There's 2 QR codes. One's for the WePly, the other one's for the sound check. So, hopefully we get those. We got the album, the song set thing with the lyrics and stuff. I'm looking for more trainees, guys. So there's that. Oh my god! Never gotten this kind of stuff before. This like postcard thing with their signatures on the back. Definitely gonna put that on my wall. This one's so cute. Ooh! They gave stickers this time as well. I really, really like this one. It's so cute. I'm gonna put it on my thing. It looks like they drew this themselves. So it's so cute. This makes me so happy. I'm not even joking. Finally. This looks so fancy. What is this? Wow. Wow. These are cool. Holy moly. Look at this. They've put in individual things, so you could probably choose which ones you could put up on your wall. This one is so pretty, like angelic. Taeyong looks so good. Jin looks so nice, so pretty. Jimin's hair is so pretty on this one. It's purple. It makes me want to dye my hair again, but my hair is gonna dye, so I don't think it's possible. And then we got Jungkook. He looks so cute on this one. Oh no! Look at the rap line on this one. And also Yoongi. Yoongi looks so cute. Like, he looks like a baby. Oh my god, it's so nice. And we got Namjoon on this one. Ethereal. Where's J-Hope? There we go. I thought I lost it, or like they didn't give me one. He looks so good. He's killing it. Hey, this makes me so excited. This new year is really good. I'm really excited for what lies ahead, especially in the concert. But also, this is really big compared to the other albums. I was not expecting it to be like a book size, you know? Or like bigger than a book. So it looks like a photo album to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for unboxing with me. My friends in the Philippines actually don't have theirs yet. This is the main reason why I wanted to unbox it with you guys. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox it. It's super pretty. Stream to Map of the Soul 7. Please support BTS. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's support BTS together, and I hope we all keep growing. Bye!